Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace front turn signal on Volkswagen Touareg that we have here at the shop. Stay with us, we're gonna show you how to remove the bulb and how to replace it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so if you go to the trunk, you open the tool compartment under the cover, you have that tool. This is a special tool for the headlights. We'll show you why you need that one now. Okay, right here there is a place where you put the tool and you turn counterclockwise, okay, about half revolution, and now you need to grab the headlight and pull on it. It will come and then it will stop. What you need to do, through that hole in an angle, you're going to aim for one spring. Once we remove the headlight, we'll show you exactly where this thing is. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, you see, you need to press on it, and while you're pressing, one person will need to pull on the headlight. Okay, so while pressing there on the spring, okay, you need to pull it out, then you pull the tool out. Now you can pull the whole headlight just like that. This is the spring we're talking about. Okay, you need to press it down so the headlight can come out. So the turn signal light bulb is located on the outside. So if you open that rubber seal there, this is the bulb for the turn signal. Okay, you need to turn this one. You need to turn counterclockwise. Okay, this is the pliers that we need to use now because we cannot reach it with your fingers very good. So we're going to turn counterclockwise about 30 degrees, guys, and pull it out. And this is the light bulb here. Okay, now all you need to do, push in and turn counterclockwise, and this is the turn signal light bulb. Not very complicated procedure at all. All you need to do to install a new one, get it in the slots, push in. Okay, it needs to go in the slots, otherwise it's not going to lock itself. It needs to go all the way in, and after that you will need to turn clockwise. Okay, okay, and it clicked and it's closed, perfect, just like that. Okay, this is for the I think daylight running lights or park light, the little bulb. So you just press in both of those, okay, and you pull it out. Okay, right here. You can see like that. Okay. And you just push it in. You install it in the headlight. And you need to install the rubber seal, otherwise you get the humidity in the headlight. Okay, you can see both of the bulbs right here, the one that we demonstrated now. Next, we'll need to install the headlight again. So all you need to do right here, you need to go in that canal. Okay, you can see all the way in, and you need to push straight to the back until it locks. Okay, like that. After that, you need to get the tool and you need to lock it going clockwise. Okay, you're gonna hear a click and then you stop. That's it, guys. So that's, guys, the whole procedure about replacing front turn signal bulb on Volkswagen Touareg. This side will be exactly the same procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.